It's Ivy, and it's time to go over Dollar General's coupons that's hot and expiring for Saturday that you could use on your 5 off of 25. So let's go. First thing we're going to start with is the Tide right here. Of course, we're going to start in detergent. That's most important. See the Tide right here, the 31 count, $9.95, $2 coupon, making it $7.95. Well, when we scan it, here it is right here, $9.95, guys. $2 off Dollar General coupon expires tomorrow. Okay, and in the same area, guys, you want to look at the Tide Hygienic right here. $19.95, $4 coupon, $15.95. But when I scan it, it shows me it's $19.95. Look, guys, 2 coupons. I actually got a manufactured coupon. So they're going to give you $5 off $1 General. And then one manufacturer. Now, what do we know about the black square with the plus sign in it? That means you have not claimed that coupon. When you want to claim it, tap it, turn it into a check mark. Tap that, turn it into a check mark. These two stack. So you will be paying $14.95 for that Tide Hygienic Clean. That's an awesome deal right there. And again, over in this area, guys, you have the Persil right here. It's $9.95. When I scan it, it shows me in the app it's $9.95, but it also shows me that a number of coupons are expiring. That $2 manufacturer coupon, and then that 15 spend 15 save 5 coupon will be expiring. So use those by Saturday. Now, when we get to the Gain right here, this Gain 18 supersize is $9.95. $2 off coupon, making it $7.95. But what do we know about that Gain coupon? It shares with Tide, and that means that will be expiring for Gain. If you want it, you also can use the spend 30 save 5. And over here again with the Gain Relax, $15.95, $3 coupon, making it $12.95. When we look, it's $15.95. You have a $3 only Gain coupon that is expiring on Saturday. Okay. Not only does that Persil coupon work, but it works on the Purex 115 low. It also expires on Saturday. You can work that coupon in with it, okay? Now, if you're going to do the Purex cashback, it also expires tomorrow. Now let's get to some goodies right here. We're going to look at with the Ajax right here. It is at $4. I'm going to get the one at $4. Let's scan again. Right here, it is $4, but guess what? It is a BOGO, buy one get one free. It will be expiring on Saturday. And let's go right here, guys, to the Airwick 2 count, $6.50, and let's scan that. When we scan it, it's $6.25, and it is a buy one get one more expiring. Now, if you can find the Febreze fabric sprays right here, they're $3.25, $2 coupon expiring on Saturday. Okay, guys, back on the laundry aisle, see this Gain Scent Bead Tango at $4.75. It is actually $4.50. We have 2 coupons. One is $2.50, and then spend 30 save 5. But that coupon is expiring tomorrow, and I had people that like this. Guys, don't forget this Gain Odor Defense, $9.95. It's $9.95 in the app. It is also expiring tomorrow. That $2 coupon is expiring for the beads, the Gain, and the Tide. So be careful when you pick that up. Let's get to some freebies that's expiring. Okay, guys, you see this Febreze plug right here is $3.75, and the last one left. But when I scan it, it shows me it's $3.30. $3.30 coupon, completely free. Now, if you live in a state. Hey guys, we're going to come to the dollar aisle for the freebies. Okay guys, another freebie is going to be on your Crest 3D watch. Now, it's free for some people. I did not get the free coupon. The dollar didn't attach for me, but it attached for my mom, my daughter, my sisters, and my cousins, not me. You still can try it. So here it is right here. The Crest is $1. And as you can see, guys, it did not give it to me for me. But let me show you. You're going to type in the word Crest. Then you're going to go down here and find it. See that? $1. So that $1 coupon is attaching in on the coupon, but not on for me. Okay, go to that $1 coupon, tap it. Okay, $1 coupon. Let's see if it's still in here, showing me that it should attach, and it didn't. There it is. See? It should attach, but it did not. So that is why those are called glitches, guys. Let's get to the next one. Coupon that's expiring, and you'll end up with a freebie. Is going to be on the Axe deodorant. It says $6, but it's on sale for $5.95. And we're going to scan it. Hold up. Okay. Okay, it is. There it is. Oh, it's $5.75 about a grad old. Okay. And look, you have a $7 off 2 coupon that is expired. Okay, guys, on this same aisle, you're going to pick up the Studio Select Sports Sunscreen right here. $5.95. Buy one, get one free. As our next freebie is going to be on the Scope mouthwash. Pick up one of those on your trial section right here. Pick that up. I'm going to scan it. When you scan it, you see that it's $1. Look, guys, $1 coupon attachment, making that free. Now, on this exact same aisle, we're going to come right here. This coupon did not attach for me on Sunday or Monday. But guess what, guys? It's attaching today. See the BioFreeze large packets, $2 singles right here. Okay, scan that. Scan the packet. And here we go. We're going to scan the pack. When we scan it, it's $2. $2 coupon. That is completely free, guys. This is free. I want to bring you over here to the Tresemme, only because it's a deal if you could find it. I'm going to just scan the Tresemme right here. That says $7. But you see this $5 off 2 coupon? Hit that coupon, open it up, tap it. See, you tap it. When you look, it's one for $5 you can find, 16.5 fluid ounces. But that's not it. It is one for $4.50. If you find that one, pick up 2 of them, you get one free. I'm gonna come right here to the Axe body wash right here. The Axe body wash is on sale for $5.75. And I'm gonna show you, I picked mine up already. There you go, you pick the 2 Axe up here. They're at $5.75. Let's scan it. We're gonna scan that one. $5.50, they took a quarter off. $5 off 2. Okay, guys, so that leads me into why I'm showing you the expiring coupons, because we want to use it on our 5 off 25 Saturday deals right here. So these are all expiring. I don't think this is, but we're going to add it in anyway, just in case it's here. You can use it. You're going to pick up your 2 Axe deodorants. Our body wash is at $5.50. It's a 5 off 2 coupon. 1 Febreze plug warmer at $3.30. It's a $3.30 coupon. 2 Axe deodorants at $5.75. It's a $7 off 2 coupon. And then pick up your mouthwash. $1. It's a $1 coupon, okay? We have saw all of those coupons. The only thing I want to show you is the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon, because remember we was working with 1 5 off 25 all day, all week, which was awesome. And here is your 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon for $9.6. It's gonna expire. Make sure you hit that, okay? And then you do have your 5 off of 25 that keeps coming back, or you can get a paper deal. Now that'll end on Friday, okay? Guys, let's do the math. The Axe body wash is $5.50. The warmer is $3.30. The Axe deodorant is $5.75. And then you have that mouthwash for $1. Take you to $26.80. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $3.30 off the warmer. Take your $5 off of the body wash. Take your $7 off of the deodorant. And take your $1 off of the mouthwash. Leave you at $5.50. Divide that by 6. You're going to pay 91 cents each. This is a great filler. This is a great filler. If it attaches, make sure it does. These are great fillers. But this is 91 cents, guys. 91 cents for Axe deodorant. That is, guys, is why you should pay attention to your expiring coupons. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Harvey's Coupon Camp. We don't gatekeep. Bye.